HLCM closed at 12.68. The stock was up 8% as of last trading day. It's up above 100% already for the start of the year. What's going on? What should you do if you own the stock? Check this video out. Hey guys, happy Labor Day to everyone. I'm still here in downtown Portland with such an amazing view. Portland is one of the more quieter and chill cities that I've seen and I've been to. It's such a nice, cool town to be in as well. The coffee and the food scene is amazing. But let's go with the stock market. Holcim has been amazing. We've been covering the stock ever since it started to break out. And for those who've been following the video series on Holcim, you all know the movement is not just pretty much based on something that's fundamental, but the movement is pretty much based on news. It's pretty much tangent on the possibility that the company will be sold and it will be sold at a premium. And here's the thing, I've been traveling, so I really didn't have time to look at the news. But as you all know, everything we need to know is found in the charts. Everything we need to know is found in technical analysis. I don't need to know who's buying. I don't need to know where the narrative is of where it will go. All I need to know is what the charts are telling us. And if you've been following the videos that we've been posting for Holcim, Holcim has reversed earlier this year. And if you look at the moving averages, no, short, mid, and long term, they've all started to break out and reverse. For those who bought because of those buy signals, congratulations to all of you, because pretty much you've been crushing it and you're earning at this point in time, regardless of where Holcim is. As long as you bought on those breakout points, you're making money. Most of you who bought earlier are now making more than double your money just for the start of the year. Not bad when the PSEI is sideways. Not bad when there's a lot of stocks that hasn't really gone anywhere as of this point in time. So now, what should you do? In the previous video, I mentioned that there's a resistance at 13 pesos per share. If you noticed it and you've followed the markets when it was open, HLCM hit 13 intraday or close to 13. Then it started to retrace. It started to go down as there was a bit of selling because there was a resistance at that particular area. Now, let's try to segment this. If you're an investor, of course, your goal as an investor is to come in when the company starts making money. If it really isn't making money, it's just really triggered by news and the possibility that it could be sold. So HLCM still is a game for people who want to trade the stock. If you're a position trader, looking at the charts here, you will see all of the moving averages, even the MACD, even the entire larger trend line as something that's in an uptrend. So for position traders, just go with the trend. No need to sell. Just position well. Keep on holding on to the stock and maximize it. That's what I've been saying all the time, that for you to win in the stock market, it's all about positioning well, not selling too early. As long as the stock is still in a large uptrend, your goal is just to hold and hold as much as you can until you see a reversal. So for position traders, since the stock is still in an uptrend, just hold on to your position. Don't sell yet. I'll just keep you updated as always when we see signs of a reversal for the stock that you could possibly start to trigger your sell signal. So now, for quick traders, it's very, very evident, and I've noted this, that at the 13 peso level, there's already a resistance brewing. So if you are a quick trader and you want to sell at a shorter distance, if it tries to go up again or failure to break out of 13, will already trigger a sell signal if you are a quick trader. I repeat, hesitation to break out from the 13 peso level and you are a quick trader will already note a sell signal for the stock. Now, here's the thing. If it breaks out of 13 though, that's where the magic, I think, will happen. Why? A breakout of 13 will bring the stock to 14.4 pesos per share. I repeat, a breakout of 13, and if it solidifies itself, that 13 now becomes a new support. I believe Holcim will just continue to go 14.4 pesos per share. So this is also interesting because the movement yesterday was also accompanied by, I guess, a larger amount of volume, a larger amount of value turnover. And as you all know, I've been mentioning this, the larger the volume, the larger the possibility and the stronger that more people are participating in it, the more legit the movement up is. So that's where we are right now for Holcim. This stock is not really based on fundamentals as of today. It's based on the news that triggered that it could be sold out for another company or bought by another company. You win by this just by following the charts for position trading. No sell signal yet. For quick trading, watch out for 13. If 13 gets broken out from, and if 13 solidifies as a support level, that's where you could take action on what you're supposed to do next. So I guess that's it. Quick plug. May 18, I'll be in Singapore. As we're going to talk about technical analysis. A week after that, I will be in ICON Investment Conference 2019. It's the largest conference in the Philippines. It's not just about the stock market, but it's also about entrepreneurship. It's also about mutual funds, also about property investing. It's also about where the economy is headed right here, right now. Then after that, you all know Stock Smarts Manila, the whole course, fundamentals and technical analysis. So if you are interested to join us, I'll put the link below so you can attend, learn more on how you can trade using technicals and fundamental analysis. But if not, if you're not from those areas, it's okay. Just join us, stay tuned to this channel, subscribe so you get updated on what's happening in the market. Because at the end of the day, the goal, the heart, the narrative of why I make these videos is I want to see you financially free. I want you to win. I want you to live life at your own terms. That the stock market is one of the greatest ways to create wealth. Not just create wealth, but for you to be able to live life at your own terms. That it can be done regardless of what time zone you are from and regardless of where you live. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo from downtown Portland. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.